is my Ryobi 40-volt lithium brushless 20-inch cordless lawn mower. The local big boxes is having a sale. My old electric really was on its last legs, I argued. And I've purchased other Ryobi products that I've been more or less happy with. Once you get a lithium battery in, it makes all the difference in the world, I found, and it's comes with a lithium battery, so the game already. It's heavy as heck, but I might add as well. Battery itself, yeah, it must weigh 15 pounds, 20 pounds. The grass catcher, the grass bag. Instructions, of course, always read those carefully. To need the equipment I show in my videos. This would be very important, I'll come to find out. It looks sort of like a race car, I guess, in your target market. Used to buy cars, so now we buy some spirits like that. Formula One, it's cool. Cool, but very simple. Easy to use machine. Not a lot of packaging, which is good. Cardboard box and just a little bit of plastic and styrofoam. Necessity there. Recycle that up later. Yeah, it's not immediately clear what you're supposed to do, although a little bit of reading. Battery in, and I have to put the starting plug in. Probably a safety feature. I was a little confused by the starting plug. The battery out first. The 6 amp hour battery. Get an extended amp hour battery for this, so check it out. These all get out. This thing is the, what's it called, the grass plug or the ejection plug or something like that. Anyway, you insert that into the back end of the lawnmower. It's not immediately obvious how to do that, but eventually you figure it out. Give a little bit of force there, push and get it in. Snap in there, and then the top part of that handle goes into the little plastic on top there. And the battery slips into the battery holder. And it should be pretty much good to go. Let's see where it goes. Plug thing needs to go in. All the tags and everything, just in case. There we go, get the plug in there. So make sure you don't start it in the deck. So give it a little practice run here just to make sure it works, and it does. It starts easily. You got to make sure you screw the handles in. It turns off if you release the choke, I guess. Electric motors, or if the handle goes down, make sure you lock those handles in. We've had an extended drought here lately, so there's not a whole lot of grass to mow, but this cutting looks good. I'm happy with this. Do the job just fine.